Okay, let's go.
Most people wake up every morning to execute the exact same trade. They exchange a strictly limited resource, their own time, for a paycheck. There is a mathematical ceiling to this arrangement. You can only work a finite number of hours in a single week. No matter how much effort you exert, your ability to generate income is trapped inside a linear equation, creating a quiet frustration that hard work alone cannot solve. The brutal truth of this system is that if your cash flow drops to zero the exact moment your physical labor stops, you are owned by your job. You are chained directly to your schedule and your bills. The alternative is to think like a builder. Rather than simply working harder, the wealthy separate their income from their physical presence. They design machines and construct systems that continue to operate independently. As Warren Buffett observed, if you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die. Escaping the trap of hourly labor doesn't require a fortune in pre-existing capital. It requires transitioning from a consumer of paychecks to an architect of permanent assets. Every financial decision comes down to cash flow. An asset puts money in your pocket, a liability takes it out. Many confuse appearance with prosperity. Mortgages and cars bought on credit bleed cash monthly. They are financial traps disguised as trophies. Building genuine assets starts with the raw materials you already possess. Every person carries a reservoir of unpackaged skills, knowledge, and experience. When you take that knowledge and solve a specific problem for someone else, you transition from an hourly employee to a consultant or freelancer. You stop charging for your time, and you start charging for an outcome. Your mind is the greatest factory of wealth you have. Packaging your internal knowledge is the zero-cost entry point into creating systems that pay you. The internet multiplies value through digital leverage, separating product creation from distribution. You write an ebook or code software one time. Because these are zero marginal cost products, the expense to replicate and distribute them to 1,000 people is exactly zero. With automated marketing funnels and e-commerce platforms, the delivery happens globally, around the clock. The creator is completely removed from the transaction loop. You are now earning per system rather than per hour. The labor you put in yesterday continues paying you today. When those digital or skill-based assets begin generating reliable cash flow, that profit must be protected against inflation. You redirect it into physical, enduring market anchors. One highly accessible anchor is the dividend-paying stock. When you own shares in global companies like Coca-Cola, every transaction adds a fraction of a cent to your wealth. They act as tireless employees distributing their daily profits back to you. Real estate serves as the traditional cornerstone of physical wealth. Today, through real estate investment trusts and fractional ownership platforms, anyone can purchase slices of rent-producing property without massive upfront capital. And for thousands of years, gold has acted as the ultimate preserver of value. It functions as a financial fortress, holding its ground when currencies devalue or markets experience severe instability. By combining property, stocks, and precious metals, you build an autonomous compounding machine. Your money mathematically multiplies itself, steadily buying back your time. The final objective of this process is buying back your time. Wealth provides absolute sovereignty over your own schedule and life choices. But freedom brings new responsibilities. You have to actively protect the assets you've accumulated. This means separating your business finances from personal risk, establishing legal trusts, and diversifying your portfolio to absorb unexpected market shocks. You must also avoid stagnation. Markets shift, algorithms change, and technologies evolve rapidly. A successful builder stays proactive, constantly reinventing their systems to ensure their assets remain relevant and profitable. Ultimately, true wealth is a generational ecosystem. Handing over unearned cash rarely lasts. You have to pass down the financial literacy, the operational systems, and the documented proof of ownership that allows future generations to manage the wealth. The math of compounding only rewards action, and the best time to start is right now. Plant your first financial seed today. Automate a $10 weekly investment, or record a single piece of digital content. When you take that step, you cross the line from a worker trading hours to a designer building infrastructure. You create something that outlives your labor, and you build assets that pay you forever.